The Philippines is highly exposed to flooding, the consequence of severe cyclones and heavy rainfall. Flooding is one of the most common natural hazards in this country that affects a lot of people nationwide. But what will you do if this happens when you are in school?
There are 7 steps in an emergency evacuation plan. First in the list, you need to consider what is the emergency situation. The emergency situation is flood. This can cause loss of human life, property and infrastructure damage, road closures, erosion, and landslide risks.
Second step is to determine the correct actions to be done. Flood the water can pose a drowning risk for everyone, regardless of their ability to swim. If a flash flood warning is issued to your school, climb to safety immediately. Flash floods develop quickly. Do not wait until you see rising water.
Dito muna sandali, ang taas ng baha.
Get out of low areas subject to flooding.
Dito na muna tayo sa second floor kasi bumabaha pa sa ground.
Third step is to create a rally points for victims and affected groups for evacuation. The rally points in National Teachers College during the flood is basically in the school's clinic.
Uy, okay ka lang ba? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Tara, punta muna tayo sa klinik.
NTC has safe rooms and has emergency kits everywhere. This could be a big help during the occurrence of natural disasters.
Fourth step is to verify safe routes during the evacuation. Travel with care. Follow recommended routes, do not sightsee.
Teka lang, sabi ng guard, wag tayo dumaan dito. Humanap lang tayo ng ibang daanan.
Watch for washed-out roads, earth slides, and downed trees or power lines.
La, wag na tayo dito, baka makuryente tayo.
Stay away from downed power lines. If a building was flooded, check for safety before entering. Do not enter a building if it is still flooded or surrounded by flood water.
Huwag na tayong pumasok sa building nito kasi ang taas pa ng baha.
Check for structural damage. Inspect foundations for cracks or other damage. Turn off any outside gas lines at the meter tank. Do not enter a building that has flooded until local building officials have inspected it for safety.
The fifth step is to have a process on how to account for everyone and identify who are injured, survived, and casualties.
Kumusta kayo? Okay lang ba kayo? Bakit?
Nabasa ng baha yung paa ko, may sugat pa naman.
Ganun ba? Tara, pumunta na muna tayo sa klinik.
Because of the rally points for victims and affected groups, medical personnel and rescuers can identify easily who are injured, survived, and casualties. Contaminated floodwater can cause the following: wound infections, skin rash, gastrointestinal illness, tetanus, as well as leptospirosis.
Sixth step is conducting an actual emergency drill. Research has found that well-implemented drills can improve children's knowledge and execution of emergency response actions and build their confidence and resilience. Drills also serve to test and improve upon school risk reduction and response planning. This is more important to those students that are not familiar with the facilities of school. This can help them to know what to do if natural disasters happen.
The seventh and last step is to formulate an evaluation procedure on how to review your emergency plan. Evaluation provides a systematic method to study a program, practice, intervention, or initiative to understand how well it achieves its goals. Evaluation help determine what works well and what could be improved in a program or initiative. Evaluation procedure is important to improve the effectiveness of the emergency plan. This plan must be organized in a well-mannered way since this can save lives if certain disasters happen.